Good afternoon students. Today we are going to see another example problem. It is an application problem on the second chapter. See, the perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 3 by 4 centimeter. So 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Find its length. So before entering into the sum, what is the area of the rectangle formula? So area of the rectangle formula is perimeter of the rectangle formula. So perimeter of the rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. So see here, what is given in the question is the perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter. So the perimeter of a rectangle, what they are given as 13 centimeter. And its width is nothing but the breadth. Both width and the breadth are the same. So breadth value is 3 by 4 centimeter. So what they are asking is we have to find the length. So you have to find the value for the length. So first write what are the statements given in the question. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to what they are given 13 centimeter. Width of the rectangle is how much? So width of the rectangle is equal to 3 by 4 centimeter. So see here it is in mixed fraction, so you convert it in improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 by 4 centimeter. Now what you have to find length. So the length of the rectangle is equal to question mark. That means you have to find the length of the rectangle. So length of the rectangle is equal to question mark. So we don't know the length of the rectangle. So you shall assume the length of the rectangle as x. So assume the length of the rectangle be x. So now you substitute these given informations in the perimeter of the rectangle formula. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B. So now which is equal to what is the given in the perimeter of the rectangle? The value is 13. So now in next step you substitute the values for the breadth. Length you have to find out. So here we have considered the length of the rectangle as x. So x plus the breadth value, both the breadth and width are same. The breadth value is 11 by 4 centimeter, which is equal to 13. Now you see here what you are going to do is you first multiply this 2 with x plus 11 by 4. So what you will get, 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 11 by 4 equal to 13. So you simply keep 2x as it is. 2 11s are is how much? 22. 22 by 4 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to, now you see here we are having 22 by 7. In addition, when it goes to the RHS of the equation, you will get negative. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 22 by 4. So 2x is equal to, now you take the LCM will be 4. So you consider here the 13 by 1 minus 22 by 4. So the LCM is how much? You will get 4. So 2x is equal to 13 by 1. So you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4 and 22 by 4 by 1. So here you see 13 into 4 is how much? 52 by 4 minus 22 by 4. So if you subtract means you will get 30 by 4. Here you are having 2x on the LHS. So 2x is equal to 30 by 4. Now you have to find the value for this x. You see here 2 into, so 2 is in the multiplication. When it is get transposed means it will get division. அதாவது இந்த multiplication இந்த side போகும்போது equal to right hand side போகும்போது multiplication is converted into division. So you keep 30 by 4 as it is. 2 into 1. So 2 இங்க வந்துட்டு 2 by 1 ன்னு இருக்கும். So இந்த side போகும்போது reciprocal. So as 1 by 2. Now you can cancel this 1 times and here it is 15 times because 15 into 2 is 30. So the x value is 15 by 4. So this is the length of the rectangle. So length of the rectangle is equal to how much? 15 by 4 centimeter. 15 by 4 centimeter. Whether you can convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So see here once again, the perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and the width is 3 by 4 centimeter. Find its length. So what is given is they given the value of the perimeter of the rectangle as 13 centimeter and the width as 3 by 4 centimeter. So first you convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then you will get 11 by 4 centimeter. What they are asking is you have to find the length of the rectangle. So assume the length of, we don't know the length of the rectangle, so let us assume the length of the rectangle be x. Now what is the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So they given the perimeter value as how much? 13 centimeter. So you put 13. See here we have assumed the length as x. Upon 2 into x plus what is the value of the breadth and width both are same. So they given as 11 by 4. So you simply multiply 2 வந்து இந்த bracket குள்ள multiply பண்றோம். So 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 11 by 4 and you keep 13 as it is. See here 2x plus 2 into 11 is 22 by 4 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to, here you have to shift this 22 by 4 on the RHS. So plus la irukradha minus la poirum. So 13 minus 22 by 4. If you take LCM means you will get the final answer as 2x is equal to 13 by 4. Now we want to find the value for x. So x value is 15 by 4 and this is the length of the rectangle. So length of the rectangle equal to 15 by 4 centimeter. But the same problem is in this exercise also. So take down that as your homework. If you have any doubt regarding this, you may ask me. Thank you.